Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use terrain in Unity. Let's start. First, we add a terrain to our scene. Then we open the Terrain Settings tab. From here, we adjust the dimensions of our terrain. Then just scroll down a bit, you'll see the width and height options. Here you can give any value you want. Next, let's move on to the Paint Terrain tab. In this part, we'll paint our terrain. Let's click on the Edit Terrain Layers button and click Add Layer from this section and select any layer from here. As you can see, the selected layer automatically paints the terrain. Let's add a new layer again. And let's select the layer we just added. Then click on the terrain to paint it. As you can see, the places we click are painted. We can also change the shape of our brush, increase or decrease its size, or change its opacity. As you can see, there are many types of brushes here. You can choose any according to your wish. Now let's come to the part of raising or lowering the terrain. In this section you can, for example, make a mountain or something like that. There are also different kinds of brushes here. Also, hold Shift key to reduce the size of the terrain. That's it. Now let's move on to the Paint Tree tab. From here we can add trees to our terrain very easily and quickly. Click the Add a Tree button and select Add Tree. Then let's select an existing tree prefab from here. And click on the terrain. As you can see, trees are being added. It's really practical, isn't it? In this way you can decorate your map with various trees. Now let's add grass. Likewise, we click on the Add a Tree button and select Add Tree and choose the grass model we want. Now let's add grass to the terrain. As you can see, the grass has been added. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.